Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this AHA. This is sparkling water. I've tried their watermelon lime, their honey peach. The honey peach was not good. The watermelon lime was better. And this was on sale, so I wanted to try this out. I've tried a lot of different sparkling water before, so I always have people asking me which one, what they can drink, things like that. So as you can see, no sweeteners. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. That's the ingredients right there. Okay, so let's do a quick taste test. See if this one's actually any good. Okay, so the blueberry aroma really comes through. Pomegranate, not so much. Yeah, I don't taste the pomegranate whatsoever. It's more the hint of the blueberry going through it. How I would rank this one's pretty good. I would say it's probably better than the watermelon and lime, and the peach and the honey one was the worst. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.